Hi mathematicians, we are going to look together at this data from our stem and leaf plot about tigers at each major zoo. And we are going to figure out what's typical. What can we expect? What's normal when I think about how many tigers each major zoo will have? So you can see here that I have written my data points for my stem and leaf plot in order. And I have labeled that I'm going to find the mean, the median, and the mode. Great. So now that I have myself organized, I'm ready to start calculating. Let's think of our chant. The mean is the average you add and divide. Great. So for the mean, I'm going to go ahead and add all of these up. And mathematicians, it is okay to use a calculator to find the mean. When I add all of these up, my total is 234. Now I know this can't be right because it's not typical for any of these zoos to have 234 tigers. So I remember I add and divide. What do I divide by, mathematicians? I divide by the number of data points that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 data points. And so I divide 234 by 11, which gives me the mean of 21, remainder 3. So one way to measure what's typical about our data set is to find the mean, or the average, and the mean or the average number of tigers at a zoo is 21, remainder 3. Let's find the other measures of center. So the mean is the average you add and divide. The mode is most common, seen time after time. Luckily, I have my data points in order and I can look. Is there a data point that appears more than all the others? Oh, 25 appears 3 times. 3 zoos have 25 tigers. Is there any other data point that appears 3 or more times? There is not. So my mode is 25. Mode is most common, seen time after time. Median's the middle, so put them in order. Okay, so I already have them in order. Now how do I find the middle? Well, I go ahead and I say, I'm going to remove the top and bottom, the next, and I'm working my way towards the middle. So the median for this data set is also 25. Is it okay that the median and the mode are the same? Absolutely. Will they always be the same? Definitely not. But if you remember your chant and you organize your work, you will find your measures of center with accuracy, and you will be able to tell what's typical about any data set.